right, here we are at 18901 Fairport. 3-bedroom brick bungalow. Updated windows, roof. It's done a couple years ago. Windows 2 years ago. Let's go inside and take a look. Alright, here we are, front entryway. Nice hall closet back there. Come into the living room. There is a fireplace, but Section 8 gets funny about it and city inspections and stuff, so we just closed it off. And you come in here, dining room attached. New blinds, new paint, new lights, new LVP. Come down the hallway here into the bathroom. I know it's not the greatest color in the world, but this bathroom's in perfect shape. Original stuff, new vanity, toilet, mirror, and light, but all the tile surround is in great shape. The floor, new toilet. Bedroom number 1. All new carpet just went down yesterday. Closet. Bedroom number 2. Closet. Go upstairs, check out the 3rd bedroom. Nice size room. Closet here. Decent size, really. That's the upstairs. New blinds. And then here's the kitchen. All new kitchen, new cabinets, new floor, blinds, paint. And then down the basement, through the entryway here and steps and LVP, and then new carpet on the steps. Nice open, clean basement. All painted up. We will install the furnace and water heater probably tomorrow or Saturday. The people are moving in the next day or two. So once they're confirmed and moved in, we'll get that on. There's the rest of our furnace stuff. New utility sink. Glass block windows. This one we redid all the PVC, toilet, tub, vanity. I believe over here too, the kitchen. Yeah, we did kitchen. We took out all the cast iron and put in PVC. But there it is, 18901 Fairport. New people moving in the next day or two. Nice sized living room here. All right, we'll see you later.